Steve was Origin here from your next car to Dunedin. Today we're going to have a look around this 2014 Nissan Note Emergency brake package. So looking sharp and black for a start. Fantastic fuel economy these, 5.3 litres per 100 k's, and check this out. Since it's an efficient, clean car with a good safety rating, you actually get a rebate from the government of $872. Pretty good on a 9999 car. So you've got plenty of boot space in the rear of these too. So 3-point seat belts all the way across, ISOFIX car seat points. Let's have a look in the rear. Plenty of leg space for the kids. We'll jump through to the front too and have a wee look. So this is the extra safety that I'm talking about. So you've got collision assist, you've got lane departure assist warning. This is idle stop, so when you put your foot in at the brake, the car actually will turn off. So that helps with the environment. Stability control up the top there. This is a really cool wee feature. So I really like this because it just gives you a lot more audio options down below. So we'll flick that into reverse. Hopefully you can see that. So you've got your 360 degree camera there. So you turn your wheels and it'll give you a wee bit of a guide there as well. Handy cup holders inside there too, and a nice black interior. And done just a wee bit under 124,000 k's. So if you want a great car for a very fair price, just been freshly serviced and complied as well, you can drive this Nissan away for $9,999 or around about $65 a week on no deposit finance. TCs and lending criteria applies. Come find your next car.